Jeff the Knife here. First item I've ever sold on eBay. This is the BlizeTec Survival Knife 5-in-1. I'm a volunteer firefighter. I use this as my go-to knife. I bought a few extras to give to brother firefighters. I have one left. I'm offering it to you, brand new. Just took it out of the box to photograph. The weight is only about 4.5 ounces. Equally important in this knife is the balance. For a 5-in-1 tool, the balance of the unit's fantastic. It's got an 8.5-inch blade, 3.5 inches wide. Nice sharp straight edge with a serrated section. Excuse the Novocaine, I just came from the dentist. Knife's got a nice bright LED, very easy to use, a lot of nice light. For a firefighter, seatbelt cutter and a window punch. Knife's got a very smooth open and close. Not something for firefighters, but if you're an outdoor enthusiast, a fire starter. Really a super knife, and since this is my first item ever placed on eBay, I'll offer you free shipping.